Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream, half a cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt until just simmering. Do not boil. In a separate bowl, whisk 5 egg yolks with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until light. This careful preparation ensures a smooth, rich custard base for your dessert. Now, let's create that perfect custard. Gradually pour the warm cream mixture into the egg yolks while continuously whisking. This tempering prevents the eggs from scrambling. Next, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step removes any small lumps, ensuring a wonderfully smooth texture. Finally, divide the custard evenly among your 4 4-ounce ramekins, filling them almost to the top. For baking, carefully place your filled ramekins into a larger baking dish. Pour hot water into the baking dish, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles. Once baked, remove them from the water bath, cool, then chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. The final touch is the iconic caramelized sugar topping. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled creme brulee. Use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crisp crust. Serve immediately and enjoy the delightful contrast of the warm, crunchy topping and the cool, creamy custard. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.